Going over RIVN stock here with the overall market pullback. You can see today is March 4th and RIVN is down about 4%. And on the left side here, you can see a lot of the stock markets, a lot of the stocks here are down, including Tesla, Nvidia, the S&P 500. Okay, so RIVN down 4%. I'm not tripping here. In my opinion, I believe between 1053 to about 950 is going to be a potential dip opportunity for RIVN. Personally, I wouldn't mind adding a small position here, but I'm phasing into RIVN as well. So if we get that drop down below 1053, so say 1053 support doesn't act as a support and the overall market continues to pull back, I would look to potentially add small positions at a time as we trend closer towards 950. Okay, so from current price to about 950, that is a 12% drop. Now that I mentioned the drop, right, I'm going to go ahead and share with you the potential upside. And during this red box here that I put out, that's where I personally will be adding small positions at a time into RIVN shares, dollar cost averaging, okay? In terms of an upside movement, so this is just comparing the current price, right? I do believe we will get a test back to $12.30. That is a 12% move towards the top side. Obviously, if you add down here, the ranges are going to increase, right? So it's going to be a lot higher percentage gain if you get a better dip opportunity. And now long term, do I think the recent high is going to get tested? That's the recent high here being from January 2025, high of 1665. I think that will get tested moving forward into the future. So if we take a look at the current price all the way to 1665 there, that's about a 54% move towards the top side from our current price. So just keep in mind, I think in my opinion, the downside is not as big compared to the upside. So I'm just weighing out the risk reward in my personal chart here. Personally, if I am long-term on RIVN, I'd prefer to add small amounts at a time on the way down towards 950. I think 950 there is going to be the potential bottom for RIVN stock. I don't see us dropping down below $8 anytime soon. In terms of a reversal, I think the overall market is going to have a reversal. And so with that reversal being said, long-term in the future, I would definitely keep an eye out for 1665 being retested. Just in the short term, $12.30 would be my short-term price target. 1350 would be the following, and then 1480. So these are all going to be price targets as well as potential resistances where there might be a rejection for the short term. But I do think 1230, 1350, 1480, and 1665 will be tested for RIVN stock. Okay. Towards the downside, 1053, possible support there. And then, like I mentioned, 950, I think is the bottom. If you are long-term on RIVN stock, I highly recommend joining the Discord, link down below in the description. There's over 32,000 members and it's free to join. You can share due diligence, ask questions, and have discussions on RIVN stock as well as other stocks as well. If you want to join our Patreon, we do have a 90% off permanent discount as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. This is a discount for all the members that are joining as an early supporter. So feel free to come on in for live entries and exits on stocks and options. There's 20 analysts sharing on a daily basis. So link down below for both of those, Discord and Patreon links, description down below. Okay. Thanks for watching, you guys. We'll see you on the next video for RIVN stock.